Okay, so one of my viewers says that they only add a hot plate and a microwave in their dorm room. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing part 2 of the artichoke. This is going to be cooked in the microwave.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now to cook it in the microwave, you have to think about it. You need some kind of pan like this. This is a casserole dish. And we're going to season it with lemon juice and organic, vegan, gluten-free, a fat-free food. This was bought at Members Mark, so it's Sam's Club organic vegetable broth. Now normally what I do is I use water, but I thought it would be a nice way to do something a little bit different. So, okay, there's 4 servings for this container. We're going to probably use over half of it, or if not all of it, and the calories are 10. So that's 40 calories, nothing for you to be worried about. Salt is a problem though. There's no cholesterol, but there is 400 milligrams of salt. That's a lot of salt. So if you don't, you have to probably find something that's low sodium if you're worried about salt. The total carbohydrates is 2 grams, dietary fiber is 0, total sugars are 2, and there's no protein. Okay, so vegetable broth. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, brand new container, and then we're going to pour this in. Just to see approximately. Now, you want to kind of cover up the artichoke. So let's take a look at that. I got some of it in. The artichoke will displace some of it. We're going to cut this next. I love these little bamboo boards. You can do so much with it. You want a knife at least as long as the artichoke is. You cut it in half. Be careful of this. Oh, it came pretty close to half. And then you want to, before you put it in, you want to cut open the lemons. And you're gonna, this is gonna be very unique. You're going to use the lemon inside of the artichoke like this. What you're doing is you're squishing. You could use lemon juice, like they sell containers of just lemon juice. You're going to put lemons, these lemons in. Okay, now you don't want the pits. Don't put that in there. And you're just going to squeeze this in. And then you're going to take it and you're going to try to get some slivers. Might have been easier to do that. Something like this, and you're going to put it in face down like that with the, just making sure it lays down like that. Now this one hasn't been squished, so you're going to cut slivers. Make sure there's no seeds. And here's a seed. And you're just going to lay it down. Same thing with the side. It doesn't want to cooperate, you know, but it's very wet. Okay. Just gonna cut some more slivers and lay it down. And okay, so this one, you're just gonna just take out some of it and you're gonna make some more slivers. And you're going to take another lemon, and what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze it. Now this is the lemon that was already squeezed, and you're going to put it on top like this. You're going to pour more lemon juice on this portion here. going to do this without cutting your fingers off. There, like that. I'm going to lay this one, it's got the lemon juice, we're going to do the same thing, more lemon juice. Upside down, like this. Now, you cover it up with your sauce, your vegetable broth. Now, you don't have to just use lemons. If you want to try something exciting, you could use oranges. Any kind of citrus would be kind of exciting. Okay, so it took the entire container to be able to fill. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cover it up and you're going to put it in your microwave, which is right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to set the controls. So we want this to cook for 20 minutes. Not that. Alright, time cook to 20 minutes. And then press start. Alright, so about 20 minutes it should be tender. We'll check it and we'll show you what happens. It's right in there. Alright, so we're removing the artichoke from the microwave. Oops, there's two of these. Now take off the top off. Now drain all of that. Now get a plate. So then take your artichoke and pull it out. You can use tongs. You don't need to keep the rest of this because it's going to have the bitter flavor of the artichoke. So just put that away in a safe place, like the sink. Now my wife likes to have it with butter. Isn't that right, Annie? So I'm going to prepare that. But I like to have mine with oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. If you take a look at my other artichokes, you'll see how I put it together. So it's very easy to cook an artichoke in a microwave. So let's see how it comes out. It's been in there for 20 minutes. And it's hot because it just came out of the microwave. You can see how it's pulling the skin out, the stem out. So it's going to be perfect. And it's got a slight taste of the lemon too. Alright, so this is another interesting dish. Hope you come back to watch more interesting videos from Healthy Vegan Living. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.